All right, this is the VIVE Flow. I just got it, and I'm gonna do the unboxing and see what we got. I mean, I've seen the VIVE Flow before because of some of the things I help HTC on, but this is the first time I'm getting a production unit and the box. I've never seen the box before. Hopefully, I don't open it in a clumsy way or get stuck somewhere. So we got this this box here. Let me try to see if I can just rip this off, or I need scissors. Yeah, I think maybe, okay. There's scissors there, but let me just take this off. All right, so it opens this way. And, oh wow, this looks cool. Look at that. What a beauty. All right, let's take this out of the bag. So cool. Look how light it is. Yeah, it's super light. See, I can throw it really high without being too worried. Like, I probably wouldn't do it. Wouldn't be brave enough to do it with any other headset. But okay, so we take off this little firm, and then obviously we need to plug this into a power bank or a phone and connect things. But I just want to put it on right now. It's so cool and fun. See. I have to see if it has see-through. Technically, because of the camera, it has see-through capabilities. We have to see that if it's activated yet or not, or if so, then I can walk around like this, I guess. But of course, that's, you know, why would you use this to look at the real world? You want to see the virtual world, right? So, but yeah, this is very, very light. It's 180 grams, so it's like the weight of a candy bar. And yeah, I just feel like I could fall asleep like this, you know, because it blocks out all the light. It's so dark in the cushion of the face. See, there's this very nice cushion material. So it's like really comfortable on the face. And of course, a lot of people are saying the optic dials are useful. So if people wear glasses, they can really use that. Yeah, and that's it in terms of, there's also this little box. I'm sure that's just all the little accessories that may not be as cool. This, I guess, is, oh, this is I think a nose piece. Let's see. We got some useful cords that we'll find out what to do with that later. Oh yeah, this is probably like a cloth. Yeah, this is the container. It's not the like the water bottle like as container yet. I'm just gonna use brute force. Nah, I'll use scissors. A bit more elegant, especially when I'm filming this. All right, so hope I don't suck with scissors. Yeah. So, all right. So this is the thing that we see how small this form is. Look, this bag can only put probably one controller of other headsets, and a specific one that everyone likes to talk about. Probably one. You can't even fit two controllers into this bag. And let's see how well this goes in. Again, no, I don't have any practice, so hopefully I don't do it in a clumsy way. Yeah, see? I have a VR headset in this little bag, you know? I could probably put this in my pocket, right? And I could grab it, hold it. I could take this everywhere. Literally, like this is so small and portable. Like, honestly, we talk about VR takes you to places that you can't go. Well, the Flow allows you to take VR to places that VR usually can't go, right? Or I guess you can take Flow to places VR can't go. Like, I can take this to the mountains, to the beach, to all these different places, and I'm really excited about this. So, yeah. Oh, and there's a manual, big manual. Every product needs it. Of course, very few people actually read the manual. If you do, I commend you. A lot of respect for that. Yeah, but look at this. So light. Like, what is this? What is this? Yeah, and then of course, you can take it out, and then we reveal again the beautiful VIVE Flow. Need to make sure I get the arms out. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna finish off with a shot of wearing this and be like, yeah. All right.